In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Patreon membership. If you're ready to stop supporting a creator on Patreon, the process is fairly simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to find your membership settings and cancel future payments. This is useful if you no longer want to be billed automatically or if you just want to clean up the memberships connected to your account. To begin, open Patreon and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, go to your settings area. This is where Patreon keeps your account preferences and membership related options, so it's the right place to start. If you're using a desktop browser, you'll usually find this in your account menu. If you're on a mobile device, the layout may look a little different, but the goal is the same. Get into settings before moving on. After that, go to memberships. This section shows the creators you're currently supporting, along with the active membership details tied to your account. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct membership, especially if you support more than one creator. That can help you avoid canceling the wrong one by mistake. Next, locate the creator you want to stop supporting. When you find the right one, click View Details. Inside that membership view, select Cancel Membership. Patreon may show a confirmation screen before the cancellation is finalized, and this is normal. Go ahead and confirm your cancellation to stop future automatic payments. It's important to note that canceling a membership typically stops upcoming renewals, but depending on your billing cycle, you may still have access to the creator's benefits until the end of the current paid period. So if you've already been billed for the month, you may continue to see member content for the remainder of that billing window. Before you leave the page, it's a good idea to double check that the membership now shows as cancelled or no longer set to renew. That extra check can save you from confusion later and gives you peace of mind that the change went through successfully. And that's all it takes to cancel a Patreon membership. Just log in, head to settings, open memberships, choose the creator, select view details, and confirm cancel membership. If you found this helpful, feel free to use this same process anytime you need to manage your Patreon subscription.